I made the cream cheese, rotel, and sausage snacks. I'm going to put the video that I've made in the description of this, but this is one thing I've got ready. All right, I'm sure y'all are on. Yep, you're on. I made my yeast rolls. I just had milk, warmed my milk up, and put my yeast in a cup of warm water. And added that. I've let it rise for an hour or two, and I'm going to roll it out and get it ready to, because it's 2 hours before they'll be here, because I've got the sweet potatoes in the oven now. And then I'll have everything done when I get my rolls made. I think I made too many, but that's all right. My son and his family will take them home with him. Here it is, my biscuit cutter. I've got a set of these. I've got 2 or 3 sizes of these. Little ones and big ones. I'm going to have to take turns cooking these, because I won't be able to get them all in my air fryer. My oven on my stove don't work, but I think I posted that before. These are going to be thick. See if I can get okay, my sweet potatoes are done. I had to cut them off. Alright, I'm going to put these in the air fryer, and I'll have to get these out, sweet potatoes out. Just a second. I'm going to go ahead and cut these up, and they'll have them ready when they get done. My brother, when he was living, he passed away 19 years ago, January the 1st. Yeah, 19 years ago. And when I cooked for Christmas or Thanksgiving, he'd get mad if I didn't make yeast rolls. He liked them. I'm going to take you over here. I've got paper towels on the floor. There's my sweet potatoes that I've got made. Now I'll bring you back when my rolls get done. Alright, I am going to make my mashed potatoes now. I'm going to put some butter in here. I'm going to add some milk. Salt. And pepper. My arm's getting tired. I'm going to have to put these in the bowl and put them in the microwave and warm them up so that butter can melt. It's been a little while since I boiled these. So, I'll bring you back. Alright, I'm going to fix my corn here. I'm going to put some sugar in here. That's the way my mama always made it. I'm going to put some butter. I've got some butter in there. Okay. And put you over here. I've got my green beans. Just green beans. I'm going to put some salt in here. end. Okay, yep, got you going. I'm put a little cooking oil in here. And this would be the last thing I get that cooked and I'll have everything done. I wanted to show you my yeast rolls after I got them out. I don't know whether I showed you or not. But there they are, and I've got some more in the oven, in the microwave. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much. And Merry Christmas, everyone. Get it up. All right, I've got my dinner ready. There's my cranberry sauce, banana bread, my pistachio salad, creamed potatoes, sweet potato casserole, my dressing, and baked beans, and I got my ham. Oh, and then my appetizers over there. That's sausage, cream cheese, crescent appetizers. And then I got my rolls. And there's my fudge. And there's my peanut butter ball. Everybody, I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. And Jesus is the reason for the season. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much for watching.
She's waiting